You spend 3 years memorizing flashcards, yet the second a real native speaker asks you for directions, your brain completely shuts down. It is a brutal wall that almost every language learner hits eventually. Textbook audio sounds like a slow robot reciting grammar rules. Real people speak fast. They use slang. They slur their words together. That is precisely where streaming video tools come into the picture. Consider what happens when you turn your evening binge watching session into an actual study tool. Platforms like LingoPie build a customized video player directly over foreign television shows and movies. You get hit with dual subtitles in real time. If a word flies past that you do not recognize, you tap it instantly. The show pauses. The definition pops up. The app saves that exact word into a vocabulary list for later review. It feels effortless because you are watching genuine drama or comedy instead of filling out dry workbook pages. But let's us be completely honest about what this actually does for your brain. It is not a magical cure for learning a language from scratch. If you do not know basic sentence structure yet, sitting through an intense crime thriller in Spanish will just leave you confused. You need a foundation first. This tool shines brightest when you already have the basics down and need to bridge the gap toward actual comprehension. You hear natural speed. You pick up regional accents. You catch how friends actually talk to each other in a bar. Still, listening is only half of the equation. Watching shows for 3 hours a night will never magically train your tongue to produce those complex sounds when you try to speak. You still have to get out there and talk to real human beings. Another catch comes down to your personal habits. If you already love foreign films or addicting overseas television, this fits right into your routine. If you hate watching sub content, forcing yourself to sit through shows you do not care about will fail quickly. Some users report that after 6 months, the available catalog starts to feel a bit thin, depending on which target language you choose. Then there's the financial angle. The yearly commitment breaks down to roughly $7 a month, while the permanent access pass sits over $200. If you log in every single day, that is fantastic value for endless listening practice. If it sits on your phone unused for weeks at a time, it is just another subscription burning a hole in your pocket. Treat it as a high-powered supplement to your routine rather than a complete, all-in-one fluent solution, and it might just transform how you absorb native speech.